Noun is the name of a person, place or thing. Chair, table, asan. A verb is a word that shows an action of for saying something about some person or thing. Run, dance, slide, jump, think, do. A word that tell us some about noun or pronoun is called adjective. And, but, although, if, until, while, because, etc. A word that is used instead of noun is called pronoun. He, she, it, I, we, you, they, etc. A word that tell us something about verb is called adverb. Slowly, rapidly, badly, sweetly, warmly. A word joined together two-word phrases or sentences called conjunction. And, as, because, but, for, or, nor, so, yet. A word that express sudden feeling or emotion is called interjection. Alas, humma, ouch, hurry, good, oh, what, hurrah, hello, etc.